Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Bella. I want to say a big thank you to my subscribers, viewers. Thank you guys, thank you. Today's video, I will be unboxing and assembling of a rechargeable fan. Here it is, this is it. This is a Century 16 inches rechargeable fan with LED light, yes. If you want to stay cool all through, you should get this. It is very nice and affordable. You can get it at the rate of 85,000 naira, and this is very nice. It's a 3-in-1 rechargeable and automatic emergency fan with a DC and AC power supply available. It has a remote control that you can use in controlling it, and also its battery is lasts for like 5 to 9 hours when it's fully charged. It has a USB function where you can use it to also charge your phones and other accessories. It also has a charging and full charge indicator light and a discharge and overcharge protection, and you can also adjust the height. So this fan is very nice. So let's go straight to the unboxing aspect and assembling. So let's assemble all of this. This is where the battery is, so you have to open it and fix the red cable. This is it. These are the battery. Fix this red cable. This red one. This is it. Fix this. Okay. Your fan is ready. So guys, I just finished unboxing and assembling the Century 16 inches rechargeable fan with LED lights. So guys, what do you think about this fan? What do you think? What's your take about this fan? Please drop your comments at the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching my video.